Hello guys, welcome to most important project of Infographics. So now I need to show you how to control character eyes rigging. Blinking, so create a new composition and set to HD right here. Eyes rigging. Set to 5 seconds, click OK. And don't forget, you must have Illustrator character cartoon in Adobe Illustrator, divide in 3 parts, the body and the white eyes, the black eyes. And then save to Illustrator file and go to After Effects, double click, import character Illustrator file and select import kind composition, click OK. And drag and drop to composition, eyes rigging, and double click, turn on the transparent composition. So there is the 3 layers. Select the first one, name body, because this layer belongs to body, and select the second about the white eyes part, white eyes, and name this one too, black eyes. Turn off first, second, third. Okay. First, press F4 to turn on the track matte. Select white eyes, press Ctrl plus D, duplicate, move up. And select the white eyes, move the anchor point to center between of these 2 white eyes. Select the black eyes, move anchor point to center. And select the white eyes, move to center. And then select this one, select this one to white eyes 2, and now parent link the white eyes to the white eyes 1. And now select the white eyes 1, second layer, press S, turn off the link, and now you can control the eyes blinking. Okay, and now I need to rig to Duik Basil plugin. There I have Duik Basil plugin. How to rig it? Stopwatch, go to 5 frame, and make it 0. Then go to window, select Duik Basil 2 and wait for the load. So go to here, rigging, and go to rigging, so let me link and constraints, click here, go to connector, click on customize, and click on create slider control, and there we have another 2 layers. So now go to effect control, handle, make little bit large size, and go to slider, little bit big size, select move tool, move there your control, and now select these 2 points and go to connect to properties, click, and now you have rigged her eyes to the slider control like this. How to use this? So go to second one, press P for the position, stopwatch, go to 1 or 3 frames, once blank, go to 3 frames more and open eyes, and then select all of this, hold Alt, make more slowly or longer keyframes. So press Ctrl C, go to there, press Ctrl V and Ctrl V. Take a look, play now, press space, 1, 2, 3. Good. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to control character eyes blinking by Duik Basil. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.